Hey guys, it's Jeremy and welcome to Santosec. This video is called OSCP My Journey because every week I'm gonna make a video about the OSCP courses, which is called the PWK, Penetretion with Kaylee. So as you know, I have absolutely no background in IT, so for me this is my first certification. Of course, I took a lot of courses online. I watched a lot of videos, like maybe 50 or 60 hours of video practicing. I've been on Hack the Box. I followed walkthrough Hack the Box to understand the path and the methodology. So on Sunday morning, last Sunday, at 1 a.m., because I'm still seeing friends and there is a jet lag, I had an email with all my credential and logins to access the lab, the IRC channel, the forum, of course the private network that you run to access the lab, and your personal computer that you're gonna attack all along the courses. So how is it going for me? I guess I have to say it's quite tough. I didn't expect it to be that hard. I thought it was gonna be hard, but it's really hard. I'm gonna have to work a lot. I expected it to be hard, but I thought I knew how hard it was gonna be, but it's a little bit higher than expected. So before I knew how to hack, how to pen test. I knew the methodology, I knew the tools, but I knew it basically was just basic. Wasn't anything really concrete. But Offensive Security did a great job to make it real, and the explanation on every tools is absolutely great. This is absolutely clear, and if you don't understand, you can just go back on the PDF, on the video, and you listen to it again. You might miss something, but at the end it's clear. So you have a lot of things to remember, but I think it's worth it. So I took the 2 months lab. I'm gonna have to work a lot. Already I work at least 6 hours a day, and at night, if I don't sleep, maybe 3-4 hours till I go to sleep. So yeah, and the community on this is great. When you're on the forum, if you have any questions, if you are stuck on something, everybody already asked the question and you see hints. You don't see solution. They don't give you the solutions because it would be so easy. It would be too easy, and I don't think they allow that. But everybody helping out each other is really great. The IRC chat, if you have any question of anything, everybody is here to help you. And if they cannot help you, they give you something that you may take to get help. So I'm really happy I started. So now I'm really in the thing. It's great. I was really looking forward to this, and now I'm in it. I'm excited, I'm scared, but I'm gonna work. And my exam is supposed to be on January 10th, so I'll see if I schedule it back, but I don't think I'm gonna need it because I like to work under pressure. I know that the January 10th is my deadline. I have to be prepared, I have to be ready. So hopefully it goes well. If you are taking the OSCP, I would love to exchange with you, to talk with you. So here's my Twitter. I'm gonna put my Twitter. This is Twitter /SantoJ. You can like, comment, and share my video, of course. If you have any question about the courses or how is it when you're in it, don't hesitate. I'm happy to help and I'm happy to respond. So I'm looking forward for next week. I hope I'll be so excited, still that excited, and see you next time, guys.